this is Cheryl Brigham with Style Santa Fe. Thanks for joining me. I've got a quick beauty tip today, and that is for older women who are having trouble with the little fine lines around the lip and lining the lips. You know, there's so many jokes out there about older women and lip lining. I think the young girls don't really even do it anymore that much, and they use the nude colors if they do, but I love my lip liner, and we want to be able to contour as well, so I mean, we got to do this. Finally figured out what to do. So what you want to do is get a fat lip liner that is like a crayon, like a big crayon. Get a soft tip. Don't get something hard where you're trying to drag it over the line. You want something soft that's going to fill in the lines. And the trick is, what you want to do is twist as you go really slowly, and that's going to get it into the lines. You can see my lines, I don't have it on. So I'm going to go ahead and apply and twist really slowly so it fills those lines. And it's soft, so you're not having to drag it. Twist and apply. And I needed to cover up and everything for the lines above the lip, but you get the idea. I don't have to do it on the bottom so much because it's not that big of a problem on the bottom yet. It's the top. So twist and apply with a really soft tip. Okay, and then add your favorite Southwest or any color lipstick. This is a really pretty metal lipstick in French Rose. That's the name of it, and it's a really pretty color for the Southwest lip. So now I have my lip liner and my lipstick on, and there's not going to be any bleeding from the cracks because I really rolled it and really twisted it in. So that's all you need to do. Let me know how it works for you. It's working for me. Thanks for joining me. This is Cheryl Brigham with Style Santa Fe.